Friends, the last few weeks of 2023 were difficult for many people in Tamil Nadu. We lost many of our fellow citizens due to heavy rains. There has also been significant loss of property. I was deeply moved at the condition of the affected families. The central government stands with the people of Tamil Nadu in this time of crisis. We are providing every possible support to the state government. Further, just a few days ago, we lost Thiru Vijayakantji. He was a captain not only in the world of cinema but also in politics. He won the hearts of the people through his work in films. As a politician, he always put national interest above everything. I pay my tributes to him. I also express my condolences to his family and admirers. Friends, today when I am here, I also remember another son of Tamil Nadu, Dr. M.S. Swaminathanji. He played an important role in ensuring food security for our country. We lost him last year as well.
நண்பர்களே, தமிழ்நாட்டில் பலருக்கு 2023ஆம் ஆண்டின் கடந்த சில வாரங்கள் மிகவும் கடினமானவையாக இருந்தன. கனமழை காரணமாக நமது பல சக குடிமக்களை நாம் இழக்க வேண்டியிருந்தது.